Before we get started, just wanted to remind you that last week on Friday we covered the dosages. That works there. It's in the top of the entry ticket here. Please look back at it to help you on the quiz. That'll be the bigger part of the quiz grade. The second part of the quiz grade comes from ultimately working with a concentration, which is shown here. That's what we'll go over in detail today. So first, understanding how to pick the equation. Right there, that's the 40%. And it is 40% of 8 total. If you read the problem here, the asset level needs to increase to 60%. So right here, 60 over 100 will equal 0.60 in a second here, which is the same as 60%. Okay. In the bottom, we got 8 total. And the last part says we're adding 100% asset. So we are increasing, really, this is convenient here. We are increasing the asset level in both the numerator and the denominator by 100%. So there's a ninja 1 in front of both those L's. Okay. So when we get to the second part, actually solving this thing, first thing we're going to do on our calculator is do 0.40 times 8. So currently 3.2 out of the 8 liters is acidic. If you do 3.2 divided by 8 on your calculator, you get 0.40, which is 40%. 60 divided by 100, like I said in part A, would be 0.60. Next step of work, I'm going to cross multiply, color code this real nicely for you. I'm going to cross multiply by the denominator. So the 3.2 plus L, that's going to stay put on the left side of the equal sign. 0.60 is going to stay put on the right side of the equal sign, and we're going to cross multiply by the denominator, the 8 plus L. So at this point, it is algebra 1 time. 0.60, distribute or multiply both parts by 0.60. We get 3.2 plus L equals 4.8. That makes sense. 6 times 8 is 48. Move the decimal over because we're working with decimals. Put the L's together. I'm going to do 2 steps at once here. I want the L's canceled. There's more L's on the left side. Put them over there. I want the integer to cancel. Opposite of positive 3.2 is minus 3.2. We now have a ninja 1L. Again, we said there was a ninja 1 in front of all our L's. 1L minus 0.6L on your calculator or your mental math, 0.4L. 4.8 minus 3.2. Calculator and mental math, 1.6. Last part. Divide by 0.4, and you get L equals, I'll double check on a calculator, but it should be 4. It's like 16 divided by 4. Last part that you can do, and that's why I'll put this in blue, you know you're right if you take that 4, you put it in here, you put it in here. 3.2 plus 4 is 7.2. 8 plus 4 is 12. I'll make my 2 a little bit better. If I do 7.2 divided by 12 on a calculator, it comes out to 0.6, which if we slide the decimal 2 times is 60%. So again, go up above in the document, check out the work and reasoning for the dosage problem, and then right here is the concentration problem. Hope this helps. Best of luck on your quiz.